What is going on, guys? Got another package in the mail today, and from what I can tell, it is the pieces of track that I've been waiting for to complete my little mini race track that I want to do. So let's go ahead and open it up, check it out. I hope it's that, all the way from Amazon with the Amazon Prime. So let's check it out. Yes, it is that which I have been waiting for. The track builder pieces. Yes. Oh yes. So I'm excited that they're here finally. Got them both for, I think it was $16 each. Yeah, $16 each from Amazon. So been waiting for them like about a week. So super cool. Let me open them up and show you guys. So let me open up one of the boxes first just to check it out, see how it is. And supposedly it's a curve. It brings one curve, I forgot what degrees it was. I think it was 180 degrees turn. I don't remember. I don't know if it says it somewhere in the box. Okay, no, it does not say the degrees, but as you can see, it's the whole way around. I bought two of them, so let's see. Let me open this one up. Okay, we got one twisted piece of track there. Don't know if that's normal. The way it's twisted, there's nothing else in the box. Let's try to build this thing. Okay. Not that easy to snap on. Having trouble with this last piece, and there we go. So there it is, the complete curve. Cool. Pretty cool. So it's gonna curve like that, like sideways apparently. Huh. I'll have to try that out in a different video. But yeah, super cool. I'm excited about it. We'll see how it does on the track next, on another video. Not next video, but on a different video. So stay tuned for that. And yeah, thanks for watching, guys. This is the Track Builder System F. So from Hot Wheels. So yep, thanks for watching.